A rectangle has length 127.3 centimeter and width 86.5 centimeter, both correct to one decimal place. So first let us write lower and upper bounds for the given numbers. Starting with length 127.3. Now what should I subtract and add to get lower and upper bound? How do we decide it? We decide in this way. See, they are correct to one decimal place. See man, one decimal place means 0.1. Okay, and it's correct to nearest whatever, you should do half of that. So when I do half, I get 0.05. This I should add and subtract. So I get 127.35 and here 126.25. Okay. Now the next number is width equal to 86.5 centimeter. Now what should I subtract and add to get lower and upper bound? How do we decide? See here. Even this also correct to one decimal place. One decimal place means 0.1. So correct to whatever, we should do half. So 0.1 by 2 is 0.05. That I should add and subtract. So I get 86.55 and here 86.45. Okay, let's continue. Calculate the upper bound and lower bound for the perimeter of the rectangle. Now, what is the perimeter of a rectangle formula? Is 2 times of L plus W. Now, to get the upper bound, see man, perimeter you need upper bound. That could only happen if you take upper bound for length and also for width also upper bound. Here it is addition. So both upper will result in upper. Clear? Now, perimeter equal to 2 times of L plus W. You also want lower bound for perimeter. For perimeter you could get lower bound only if you take lower bound for L and lower bound for W. See man, here it is addition. Both lower will result in lower. Am I clear? So now let us replace the values. So 2 times of upper bound for L is 127.35 plus upper bound for W is 86.55. So put this in the calculator. You get 427.8. Okay. Now here 2 times of lower bound for L is 126.25. Lower bound for W is 86.45. Put this in the calculator. You get 427.4. Thus we have found upper bound and lower bound for the perimeter of the rectangle. Am I clear?